I'm Candace and welcome back to the Women's Midlife Strength and Grace Challenge. Today is day number 22. It's the first day we enter into the weekly theme of grace, of bringing in more self-compassion to our practices, learning how to trust ourselves. So therefore, one of your mantras this week might be, I trust. We're going to start the week off with a focus on our breath. If it feels like it's more helpful for your body to be upright, feel free to take this seated practice, sitting with your hips on the edge of a blanket. Sometimes that's more comfortable. And as you settle in, feeling your sit bones, just notice your breath naturally. Where is it right now before we even begin? Have you just crawled out of bed, or are you entertaining this practice as an evening practice? Just notice where you are. Slowly start to cultivate a deeper, longer breath. Breathing in through the nose. And out through the mouth. One more like that, in through the nose. Out through the mouth. And this time we're going to switch to in through the nose. Gently press the lips together, real gently, and out through the nose. If you're unfamiliar with this Ujjayi breath, let's take another breath in. It's kind of a throaty exhale. On the next breath in, bring your shoulders along with you up to your ears, gently. Sitting up tall, exhale. Notice which variation of exhale came naturally to you. Parting the lips is a little bit more of a release breath, where keeping the lips together can feel a little bit more building heat in the body, building some focus in the body. So feel free to play around with these as we continue. Inhale, reach the arms up. As the palms touch, bring them down through the center, past your heart. Inhale out, palms up, reach up. Meeting the palms together at the top of the inhale, now exhale. Sweep them around one more time. Palms together, down through center, breathing out. Beautiful. Now we're going to add to this. Inhale, expand possibility. Exhale, I return to center. Inhale, I expand possibility. I return to center. Inhale, I expand possibility. Exhale, I return to center. Beautiful. Come to a pause, natural breath. In this gentle practice, feel free to close your eyes and let your body simply sway. And whatever helps you visually, think of the breeze blowing, an ocean wave, a very graceful dancer, whatever helps you to feel an inhale as you move in one direction and an exhale as you move in another. Close your eyes if that's available to you and simply feel. Kind of ragdollish. I trust. I trust. Maybe start moving your body a little more circle-like-ish. If you're trying that, reverse the direction. Hinging forward a little bit, rocking from left to right. Think pendulum. Not fast, not controlled. Simply however your shape is showing up. 3, 2, 1. Come back to center, sit tall and rest the arms. Feel your inhale, followed by an exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale fully, this time opening up a little bit through the collarbones. Sit tall, pelvis tips forward. Exhale, reverse all these directions, round through the spine, so think of seated cat-cow. Softness, bring some more softness. Breath in, encourage your body to visit cow. And exhale into cat. Pelvis rocks, the spine moves. And if the arms decide to move too, yeah, lie down, buddy. Lie down. Good boy. And if the arms decide to move with you too, please embrace the grace of your practice. Beautiful. Coming back to sitting up nice and tall. We're going to move to neck rolls. Tilt your head down towards one side, maybe right ear to right shoulder, whichever feels best for you to start with. Take a big breath in, and as you exhale, drop the chin. Creating space for movement. Oh, I've got all kinds of friends here. Sit down, big guy. Sit. Turn around. You got it. Again, our grace practice, self-compassion, moving more with fluidity. Beautiful. One more time, then come to sitting up nice and tall. Sweep the fingertips back behind your head. Sitting up. Come on, guy. Sit, please. Gotta sit. Yeah. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale and round. Bring your elbows in, gentle here. Think compassion. Inhale, sit up nice and tall. Exhale and round. Inhale and exhale. No pulling, simply guidance, fingertips, giving you a little perspective of where your head is in space. Roll the shoulders. And as we begin to roll the shoulders, start to take your one shoulder forward into a little bit of a rotation, a little exaggerated circle. Lift up, and as the opposite shoulder comes forward, that back shoulder drops down. Just encouraging some space in the side bodies. Try your best to let your arms be limp. Sometimes this one's a little bit easier when the hands aren't hitting the floor. Sometimes that's helpful. All right, now reverse that direction. So working with shoulders as well as upper body. The grace of expansion, possibility. Come back to a center space. Just pause. Embrace what your body has unlocked, the spaciousness, the peacefulness, and the freedom. You've done an incredible job with week 1, 2, and 3. And here we are. Stay focused. Stay right here with your inhale. Sit up a little bit taller. Exhale, hold steady and release. Our lives are not quiet. They're full of all kinds of events. Some to celebrate, some are furry. But our ability to be able to stay present, stay in the moment, even when things are happening around us, that skill is priceless. I expand and open to possibility. I return to my center. Relax the shoulders. Readjust length in your spine if you have moved. These next couple breaths, give attention to the side bodies. Really feeling the expansion in the ribs. And the exhale and the release. Inhale, move the arms back out. Exhale, bring the arms inward and give yourself a little squeeze. Inhale, open. Light and free. Exhale, squeeze and bring it out. 2 more just like that. Inhale. Exhale, squeeze it out, return. Last one, big breath in. Exhale, squeeze it out. Bring your body to a centered space. Blink your eyes open if you haven't already. Thank you so much for practicing. We'll continue this theme tomorrow with day 22. Don't forget to go down into the description to click that link and sign up for our celebration class at the end of this challenge, a full 60-minute live class. All the details are down below. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day or evening. Namaste.